this piecewise function. Now, it looks here like we have two different pieces that we're going to Frankenstein together here. So, first one here, I'm going to go ahead and look at is f of x equals negative x plus 1. Now, we could just technically graph this line here and then figure out where to cut it off later, but I'm going to look at it first to see that we're looking at it when x is less than 0. So less than 0, x is 0 on the y-axis here. So this graph here of negative x plus 1 is going to be only to the left of the y-axis. So when I am actually graphing this, let's look at, okay, it's a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of negative 1. So if I were to do it normally, I'd go down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, and then to the opposite side, it's up 1 and to the left 1. And so my graph would normally look like that. But like I said before, it is only to the left of this y-axis. So I'm going to take off the right side there and leave just the left side as that part of the graph. So it goes on forever to the left, but it stops here. And there's an open circle where it hits this green line because it is x is less than 0, not less than or equal to. Now, the second one here, f of x equals x, is the same thing. I could graph this whole thing, which has a y-intercept of 0, slope of 1, so it would look like this. But again, with this inequality here, it says only when x is greater than or equal to. So what that means is it's only going to be to the right of the y-axis for this red function. So what that means is I take this off, and I know that this is a filled in circle right here because it's less or greater than or equal to. This goes on forever, and there is the graph of my piecewise function.